Oh, children, children, children. Are your mom and dad looking for the best HVAC man and technician here in Long Island because your AC just went out?
Yes! I've been telling my mom and dad, look, I saw him on YouTube.
Did you tell your mom you saw HVAC Papi on YouTube?
Yes! Mom, I'm hot. Please call this HVAC Papi. I just saw him on YouTube.
Hey, Timothy, relax there. I know we need some AC, Timothy. However, let me do my job to get the HVAC Papi. Hold on.
Mommy, listen, you don't have to go far. He's right here. Look at him.
Show me, Timothy.
Hey guys, it's Louie the Boiler Man, the HVAC Papi here, guys, and all ladies and gentlemen, and all beautiful children of the world. That's right. If you need some AC, guess what? You're looking at it right here, the HVAC Papi. Let me come to your home and take care and manage your AC. So, hey, anybody who's looking, just let you know, your mom and dad, they're in good hands with the HVAC Papi.
Okay.
Wepa. Mi gente, good morning, guys. We're here at MCN Distributors here in Farmingdale, New York. That's right, over here picking up a condenser. We actually got to do a condenser today.